think.
No.
How the hell am I supposed to do this if I fucking keep jumping over the fucking... It's like a dolphin. It's like a dolphin. I keep jumping over that stupid... Can't tell if I got spiked that... I did it! No! I had it! Curse you, game! You didn't even say it that time.
I think we know what happened.
You're gonna go?
I think you're just getting annoyed by this point.
I am. I'm just...
I'm holding in my laugh. It's so funny. Oh my god. Whoa! Whoa!
It's exactly what happens. Happens all the freaking time.
How are you supposed to make it? You tried like what, a bajillion times? Death.
Death. Distraction. What? I had it!
Oh, yeah, oh, I see what you need to do now.
You know what? Yeah. I'm not even supposed to. I already messed up. I already screwed up. Yeah.
There's like 2 minutes class.
Not again. He's recording me fail. Fail. It's impossible to get past this level. I had it, but then I lost it. I messed up again. Supposed to go light? I messed up again. Messed up again. I keep messing up. I keep getting trapped right there and I can't finish the thing. Shit.
Nope. How are you even supposed to like,
Die by my own spikes.
How
Aww.
are you supposed to die by those spikes? That's even more impossible than finishing this level.
New mission.
Oh,
Die by the...
oh!
I should have left it the way it freaking was. I'm gonna get the achievement for like dying
36 times.
You know what? Screw this.